All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another live trading session. Today is Wednesday, excuse me,
How about
Wednesday,
that?
January. I was already skipping a day. January 29th. As you can see on the chart right now, uh, I'm in a long at 21,597. Um, why am I in a long? Because on my other chart, I'm going to show you in a little bit. Uh, there was a great 15-minute money zone in this area. We also had it confirmed with a 30-second money zone. And we had just come from a nice push down. So this was, so far, I am risk free on this one. And since we're close to open, my runners are at break even. And right now, I would say I'm up probably 25 points right now, almost 30. So that's starting the day. Right now, I'm looking for us to. I'm looking long right now. I think that by the previous daily close, we have some uh, good activity there. Remember, today is a news day, so please be careful. It could all be blown out the window with one giant 30-second candle in either direction. But other than that, good morning, Cloud. How are you today?
I'm good, man. I'm good. I am so good. I'm a little nervous for today, honestly, not gonna lie to you. With this being the first FOMC meeting of the year and with us having the big earnings this during the aftermarket, I feel like we'll get our move with the first 30 minutes of the day and we chop around a little bit. Or we might get a nice trading range from 9:30 to about 10:30, but at some point we will chop around. Hopefully I can catch a move before then and be done with the trading day.
There we go.
It's nice trade there, Mo. Nice trade there, man.
Yeah. So I'm gonna let me. I have to just take this one on for a second. Okay, I can show you this. I'm gonna show you another reason why with these indicators I took this trade. Just put this over here. So okay, you can see this here is a green money zone. This is the 15-minute chart. Okay, and I also have on as well is the what's that called? The market structure. Okay, the TWA DC market structure. And this green bar here, think of it, their names support and resistance boxes. Now, keep in mind, I know there's systems that use support and resistance. I don't. However, if I'm reading it with just based off of how this market structure, how I use it, well, I see I have a support box here with a green money zone. This, and you see how price cannot, once it came up here, it settled here, came up, and it proved to me that it couldn't break it at this time. And then when I click back to my trigger chart on here, I had the buy sign, we had everything switched. I think for me, that told me there's a good probability that we can head up. TPO agreed with me by turning off. You see, that's when I went in. You see how the TPO just turned off? That's why I went in here and not, a couple points back. And so far, what has it proved? It's proved it could stay in this cheap box on small for now. Remember, the opens are going to be in 3 minutes. Right now, I'm going to follow the DC method. So you see here, my stop loss will be where this money zone is. So 600. And then that was the justification for this trade. Again, I'll just show one more time because I know this is new. This is all market structure. These boxes here. Okay. Okay, you're gonna see all these boxes. Just remember these were old support boxes. As they broke, you see how a new one popped up till finally uh, price held somewhere. and then as it breaks and new resistance levels are created, you have new boxes that are created for context. And that's what I did. And then also, this is my low a day on my game plan. So I'm in this area. I would be looking for longs because it was not. It would have to stall here for me to look short to come down. And that's it. You know, like you can see here, uh, it's developing a little resistance box at around 690 ish area. You see, there's a 15-minute bearish money zone in the same area. So if I'm using it as a target, I'm expecting price to get back in here and to see. I'm going to be looking to see if we can flip this money zone, or is it going to hold and then I just move my stop accordingly to get out of the trade. So that's how I use a larger time frame to also help with the direction I want to go in. What do we got going on now? Okay, here's goes the sell off. And we're about to be open. Yep, it tagged me out because this was my stop here, which is fine. I still took profit. Now I'm gonna wait for another opportunity. We're gonna be open in 3, 2, 1. All right, we're open. Let's close this one a little bit. All right. So far we got a sell button, but I see some exhausted selling volume here. We are in the cheap box on small. How's the higher time frame looking now? Algo candles went from green to red.
All right, we're at the previous daily close right here on Nasdaq. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we test these lows from last night down here at 530. I may hold off for the first 10, 15 minutes of the market today. I do like longs at the 530 or 514 area. If not, right here at 560. We didn't quite get to 560 though, but yeah, close enough. We do have a lot of sellers stepping in the market right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for 5 minutes.
I'm watching 530 honestly. For real. I mean, YM is looking kind of bullish right now. ES is let's see if ES can hold these lows as well too down here. Nvidia's making it's I think Nvidia might test his weekly open down here at 124. Oh wow, look at YM is ripping. I think ES is I think ES is trying to recover. Nasdaq might recover here as well too. Gotta wait though. Patience. Zoom lower. Zoom 514.
Am I bearish? That's a good question. Uh, I'm gonna give it a little bit of time. I mean, right now, if we look at the dashboard here, um, you can see pullback with trend bearish, price the session control bearish. However, you have the higher time frames ranging, and the order is none. So I think just like Cloud was saying, you need to be alert and very picky today. We could see, because what time is the news dropping? 10? Is it 10 the? I think
I
it's a
want to
10.
try it long soon.
Let me just do it. Let me just check our Discord to see what time the news is dropping. Yeah, so uh, we have news going to drop in about 5 minutes, and then again at 10. So right now, okay, TPO. Right now, if you go by the probability, right now, all the probabilities are pointing to the Bears. However, if you zoom out to the larger time frames, you want to see if this, I believe, 530 area can hold. If that does hold, then that's a good opportunity to go long. But I'm gonna wait probably another 5 minutes before I start looking for another trade, just to see. I want to see if we stay above this extreme cheap box, or if is this just the pullback before it heads down even further.
I look like I want to go lower. I got a tight stop on it though.
I'm still inclined for a long. I just feel like longs have.
Whoa, what the hell? That stopped me out.
Yeah, see, I
God
knew that.
damn.
That's the type of day that we are looking like.
I
So,
did damn. Oh, that hurts. First rate of the day, red.
so to answer your question, Jason, uh, right now, it's only been 15 minutes. Let me wait for a new 4 hour. Because this looks like a continuation from the move that started at about, again, 6:30. The 6:30 time. That 4 hour um, candle is really, really giving us a lot of information. Hold on a second. Cloud, did you get? Hold on. Why are you not in here? Hold on a second, Cloud. Let me just. Hey, Cloud.
Yo, can you hear me?
Yep. Okay. Yeah, I was just telling Jason. I like the longs. However, I'm gonna be very patient because it's gonna be a news day. However, if we're reading the chart as it is right now, uh, probability oscillator is bearish. The TPOs are bearish. If I go to the 1 minute, strict candles are red. You have the IVD candles are red. However, the background went from red to gray. So just take that with a, just keep an eye on that. But right now, if we're looking at the probabilities, 1, 2, 3, 4 is bearish right now. But for entries, for me, for entries, I'm not entering short here. I'll wait. I'll wait till 10 o'clock. Yep. And guess what? You are now banned. Well, we got a nice long setup coming. Like trend. Nope. While I'm here, let me see if I can. Yeah, so I'm just waiting. There's no setups right now for me. It was looking like possible long trigger was about to happen, but you see how the surge went from green back to red. So nothing is really happening just now. Let me see. Let me see if I can get some. Downloads. Yeah. Yeah, I'm really working on today personally, one of my personal goals today is not to jump into trades um, just for the
Immediately.
sake of jumping into trades. Yeah, I developed a bad habit, so I have to now work on breaking it. Yeah, I developed a very bad habit, so I am definitely working on keeping myself occupied. Let's see. Oh, you know, I probably didn't. Where's this?
It's like I kind of want to try another long here at this monthly level, but I feel like I have to wait a little bit.
Yeah, I mean it's setting up. It's definitely setting up. The setup is here.
But that first loss I took, that man, that kind of
Yeah,
pissed me off. Cause like I was in, I was about to go to break even, and it just dumped. And
yeah.
with Top Step X, it jumped over my stop loss.
Oof,
Yeah,
oof.
yeah. I do not. I
That
mean, I like
that
Top
hurts.
Step X, but sometimes I do not like it, man.
Yeah. Let's see. All right. Okay. Let's put this one in. I'm gonna debut some new music today.
Man, okay.
Ooh.
Okay. Mercy today.
Nope. Do you trade other sessions like Asia, New York? Here, I'll put this on the screen. All right, so we got a question. This is a good time to answer some questions here. So from Jason, do we trade other sessions like Asia and New York? So if you're talking about the live, right now we're only doing New York session lives. Um, we do trade other sessions, and if you want to be like on a live call for those sessions, just drop it in the comments. That if let us know if you want to do have a Asia session live call, maybe for like an hour, or a London session. Put in the comments. I mean, I know DC and Cloud for sure trade the other markets religiously. So
Mm-hmm.
if you would like to see them trade, maybe for an hour, half hour or so, just to see some setups that they see during those markets, comment, put in the comments. I want live call Asia or live call London. I don't even think Cloud realized his name's in this song. Yeah, see how we're dancing right in this really cheap box here, and we haven't been able to get out of it. TPOs are still red.
The evidence lines are also red.
So that's just giving me more and more information. I need more information. And if you weren't here, you missed it. Before the live, I was in long here. I took a TP1. I got risk free. I was at break even before open. And by the time we opened, it came down. Didn't matter. I was already secured some profit. So
New 4-hour coming up soon.
then we got 2 minutes left in this 15-minute candle. Here's the right here. 560. Let's see. All right, so the level I'm looking at is 560. 21,560. If we can't get above that, then I would look for shorts. Make sure I have this up so I can see. Okay, London. All right, we got a new 4-hour. Let's see. Let's lower this a bit. Let's see what the new 4-hour will bring. I like that. I like that.
Miami's bullish.
Yeah, I like this. I might have to take a long here. Let me see. Let me see. 1, 2. Come on, give me one more. One more, and I'll take this long. Actually, I might do it with this. Go here. See if I can get this long and give it another minute. Not there. It's good. It's good. Just give it a minute. Just see something here. All right. Let's see. 3, 2,
2, 1. Go ahead, take it with me.
and here we go. All right. I am in long. Let's see how much. No. Nope. I'm out. It took me out. All right.
That London low right there at 560, and there's a weekly
Yeah.
and there's a weekly level at 560, 562, 566. So we gotta. I mean, it's a lot for us to fight through right now. Honestly, I'm looking at the overnight sessions right now. Honestly, that's kind of what I'm trading off of.
I took a scalp. Taking a scalp here.
I like how it's hugging this 514 level. You know what I mean? We haven't really
Hmm.
had a strong close below 500, honestly. I wouldn't mind a scalp back up to this 560 area. May need to wait a little bit, but I wouldn't mind a scalp. Okay. Yay. Yay. Oh. Days like today, it's like I'm using my weekly levels. I usually use my monthly, like I usually use monthly levels for bigger moves. But with that first loss I took, I've literally have been fighting back. Fighting back, scalping, 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 and
Yeah.
I'm I'm about to be break even again. So I'm happy. I had a very greedy rookie mistake this morning, being greedy on that first trade, taking it with 50 micros like an idiot, and I paid the price. But we live to fight. We live to. We like this right here. Well, we need a strong close above the 60s. Like we need to close into
Yep.
70s. I'm locking myself out of this one account that I decided to copy trade right here because it's up and this other account is down. Down. It sucks being down. It sucks being down. Especially after the week I had last week where shit was a battle. Whoa. Did my power just go out? My power just went out. Oh my god. Did my power go? No, my power didn't.
No.
I don't know what's
You
going on with my
you
house.
you're still on, so
Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Like I had Wi-Fi issues and now my power's acting weird. Like
man, this is a sticky spot right here. It's a very sticky spot. This is gonna be telling. I need the 60s to break and hold.
all right. I may need to call it a day because I'm having a lot of technical issues, honestly. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, we have to get into the 70s. Honestly, if we can't get into the 70s, then Nasdaq's gonna come back down. We also have a bearish 1 minute money zone in the 70s.
Order filled.
The Dom going crazy right now. I'm gonna take off 5 micros soon if I don't get stopped out.
Order filled.
I wonder how did I stop this from saying that. I only have 10 micros on the table left. Am I gonna get stopped out?
We're heading down, down.
Flat. Continuation print right here. I'm break even for the day. I'm break even for the day.
Nice.
Now I can actually call things out correctly. Oh my god. All right, man. All right. I'm looking to add to this position. I'm I'm gonna take a full size position soon. I'm looking for us to get back. Like honestly, for us to really look for the longs to play out, we need to get above VWAP. We need to close above 600. I don't really see longs playing out until we get above 600. I will be looking to add if we can get above the 60s though. I will be doing that. Ooh, we can do that. We can do that. Come on, Nasdaq. The only thing that we're battling against now is that the TPO candles are red, the scope is red. We have a lot of bear statements on our chart. A bearish woman in money zone right at VWAP. That and like that's why I said it's like I don't think longs gonna play out until we get above the 600s. But I will be looking to add. I may have to add after the 600s. Honestly, that'd be the smart thing to do. You have any? Oh, I'm flat again. Damn. Okay. Hold up. Hold up. Yo, let's zoom out. Let's zoom out. I feel like there's something that we're missing. There's something that we're missing. There has to be something we're missing because I don't understand why.
I'm taking a short here.
Yeah, Mo. This is this reminds me of how the last 2 weeks have been trading, where we had a nice run up overnight, and the New York session can't get back into comfortably into the London session.
Yeah,
You
and
know,
that's
like
what. Yeah, that's what I was looking at. If we couldn't, 1, 2, 3, 15-minute candles couldn't get above that 560 area, and so right now I'm looking short. So I'm in short right now. Hopefully I can get this risk free.
if you take the Asia highs and lows of last night, oh, if you look at the Asia highs and lows of last night, the 50% of the Asia full session is actually the high of New York today.
Mhm.
If we look at so if we look at London, we need to get back above the 626 for us comfortably being a London session. I'm gonna just call it a day, honestly. Call it early. I'm break even on one account, or slightly green on one account, and I'm green on another account. I may just have to call it early.
Yeah, I might be calling it soon too, because we are just dancing in this middle of this 4-hour forecaster.
It's yeah. This doesn't want us to succeed today. Nasdaq doesn't want us to be great. But as long as we stay above the 4 hour, like the 4 hour close, I'm personally going to stay bullish. But like, look where we're hugging this weekly level
Yeah.
of 530. Mm.
I'll try one more trade. If it doesn't work, I'm done for the day. I think I can wait for all that to happen. Let's get the surge. Let's get that surge rolling.
Nice long.
Alright, I took this short. Let's see if I can get risk free. Come on, come on. Good, risk free. Here we go. Here we go. Finally. Whoa. Man. Alright. Let's see if we can get 50 points out of you. Let's see
If you
if this
break
is
500, you can. If If it breaks 500, look for 480 to be tested.
That's what I'm looking for. 480.
I've called it a day though. I'm done for the day. I locked myself on all of my accounts, even the ones that I haven't even traded today.
I took it right off the DC setup right here. Right there. Bang. Change that color to green. So you had the 30-second money zone here stayed. Algo candle stay red. I was waiting for this surge to pop to red border. That crossed. These two crossed. Now we got a sell button, which is very good.
Mm.
There we go. Come on, buddy.
$580. I mean $480. Oh man, I see why you took the short. Damn, I see it. That's a nice trade, Mo. That's a nice trade. The 50s, right?
Yeah, yeah. That's
Yeah,
what I was
yeah,
looking at.
yeah, yeah,
If you
yeah.
you know if you're in the mentorship, you know if you have you know the the superpower on, you can see what was happening. And if you don't and you're looking at this, you can see here. Look, couldn't get in, couldn't get in with the money zone, and down the price went. All right, very nice trade, very nice trade. I'm locking myself out. I don't want to push anything else.
Hey Mo, I'm gonna have to call it quits. I have to go down to the Fulton County Watershed Department.
Yeah, I'm gonna call it too. Let me just put the manual lockout all day. Yes. All right. So, just so with that recap, um, I took an L on this short here, which was with two minis. So I was very selective on the next one, and I just waited for a good setup. So basically, I got that back plus profit, and I did have a little profit here, but as we look at it, you can see from the open to now, um, shorts were a good play, but I wasn't really confident on it at this area. I was waiting for some more information. Once I saw we could not get above the 560 area, which is right here, which is also a level, and as a significant level that we use, and two levels were there, so we couldn't get above it. So I just waited for a better opportunity, which happened to be the nice DC setup you can find on Discord, where algo candles are red. They hit the 30-second money zone, could not flip it. Then it started to break down, and then you had the trigger, the timing, which was the surge change here. You had the pullback change here, and you had the probably oscillator cross again. Now just wait and see what happens with this, but this was a very good setup for this trade, and I'm locked myself out, so I'm done for the day. Cloud, I believe you're done for the day, correct?
Yeah, I gotta handle some business for these houses.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, I got.
I don't
Go
know,
ahead.
like it was my first trade should have been an early sign for me not to trade for the rest of the day. But I wanted to battle back. Whenever I take a first trade like heavy like that and just have like that drop came out of nowhere personally to
Mm-hmm.
me. And I wasn't expecting a 30-point drop like that. And I wasn't expecting my 20-point stop loss to turn into 35 points.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, that stinks. Well, all right, everybody. So that's we're gonna end this live call a little early today, but just so everyone else, if you're gonna keep trading, if you look at the dashboard here, right now price actions pull back with trend. You can see it. I mean, this was a very good visual of it. Uh, Session control is bearish, so bearish out. Look for bearish entries. There is no order. How can I explain that? So basically, there's no strong trend in either direction, and right now higher time frames are. There's not enough information to say if it's ranging or bullish or bearish. So just keep that in mind. You'll probably see price action like what we're seeing now. All right. So with that, Cloud, thank you again. I'll see you tomorrow, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow on the live call. And don't forget, trade smart, look for your setups, and take profit when you can. All right, Cloud, thank you.
all right, man.
Take care.